So, you're looking for a KitchenAid appliance repair. Well, you've came to the right place. Hi, my name is Brandon Harris, owner of Dependable Repair Services. We have been servicing homes and businesses since 1970 when my dad started the company. That's well over 45 years. We repair all major KitchenAid appliances, including refrigerators, dishwashers, ice machines, oven, ranges, and cooktops. I know there's many appliance repair companies, and you're likely wondering, why use Dependable? Over a year now, each customer has emailed an opportunity to review their repair online when the repair is finished. That review will appear on our website for a while, as well as Google and other search engines for your neighbors to read. We are rated A+ by the Better Business Bureau, and we have received many awards, including the Bosch Thermador Gaggenau Servicer of the Year for the Southeast region for many years. So just give us a call at the number on the screen. Dependable repairs all major residential and commercial appliances, including refrigerators, freezers, ice makers, dishwashers, washing machines, dryers, and stoves, to name just a few. We have 16 trucks staged in areas including Atlanta, Marietta, Alpharetta, Cumming, Woodstock, Canton, Roswell, Lawrenceville, Douglasville, Decatur, Conyers, and Peachtree City. Our trucks are stocked with the most common parts, and large parts such as compressors and condenser coils are kept at our shop. Plus, we have access to special parts from warehouses around the area. Our technicians have been drug tested and background checked to protect your family. They wear floor protectors and use service mats to protect your home. They have testing equipment and computer access to manuals, as well as years of experience, and are factory trained to service and repair all major brands of appliances, and are factory authorized repair and service many, including Sub-Zero, Frigidaire, Bosch, Thermador, as well as Electrolux, Wolf, ASCO, Dacor, Fisher-Paykel, DCS, Northland, and Gaggenau. So give us a call at the number on the screen, or click on the Schedule Now button on our website and schedule your own call. When you call, the customer service representative will schedule an appointment window, often the same day. The technician will call when he is finished with his previous repair, so you don't have to wait for him. The technician will arrive on time in a dependable truck and uniform. He will troubleshoot the problem and quote you a flat rate repair price before any work is done. He will leave the area in as good or better shape than when he arrived. All appliance repairs are guaranteed, and diagnostic fee is waived with paid repairs. We take all major credit cards and have discounts for seniors and military. So again, when you're looking for a KitchenAid appliance repair, give us a call at the number on the screen, or click on the Schedule Now button on our website and schedule your own call. We look forward to serving you soon. Thank you.